In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your email on Cloudflare. Ensuring your email is verified is crucial for receiving important notifications and updates directly from Cloudflare. Without verification, you might miss out on vital security alerts or product announcements that could affect the performance or security of your domains. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll need to begin by signing in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for your avatar located in the top right corner of the screen. This avatar is your gateway to managing various personal settings. Click on it and then select My Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. This will direct you to a page where you can manage and update any personal information related to your Cloudflare account. Now, scroll down until you find the email address section. If your email hasn't been verified yet, you will see an option here to Send Verification Email. Clicking this button will activate a new verification link that's sent directly to your inbox. If by some chance you don't receive the email, there is usually an option to resend it if needed. Now it's time to head over to your email account. Look for an email from Cloudflare, specifically sent from the address notify@notify.cloudflare.com. It's a good idea to add this address to your contact list, or mark it as safe to avoid future emails landing in your spam or junk folder. Once you locate the email, click on the verification link provided within it. This will confirm your email address with Cloudflare and ensure that your account is fully verified. However, if you face any issues with the link, say it appears broken or it has timed out, don't worry. Simply go back to your Cloudflare profile and send a fresh verification link. When you receive this new link, consider opening it in a private or incognito window. This can help prevent any caching issues that might otherwise interfere with completing the verification process smoothly. And there you have it. By completing these simple steps, you ensure your Cloudflare account remains in good standing, ready to keep you informed of any changes or updates that might affect your web properties. Keeping your account information, like your email, up to date and verified is vital for maintaining the security and integrity of your operations on Cloudflare. So be sure to follow these steps carefully if you ever need to verify your email on Cloudflare again. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to check Cloudflare's help resources or reach out to their support team. Have a great day, and until next time, keep your inbox ready for those important alerts.